Yao Chi is a Chinese idol from Xian, Shaanxi Province. He studies in the English department at the China University of Geosciences. In 2022, he starred in My Love and Stars. He was a very talented and hard-working actor who became more famous for his bold acting skills and looks on screen. In 2021, he starred in Out of the Dream. The same year, he also played Falling Into Your Smile and Don't Leave After School. Yao Chi is a good-looking, smart and handsome man with a charming and dashing personality. He was signed under Mavericks Entertainment but left in October 2019. He joined the idol competition show Ching Chan No You Ne Idol Producer Season 2. In 2022, he worked in movie Puppy Love. The same year, he also played Our New Life. He has received critical acclaim for his acting skills and comedic portrayals of characters and has experienced a rise in popularity as an entertainer due to his charming personality and on-screen presence. In 2022, he worked in TV show Bling Bling Daytime. In 2021, he worked in TV show I Told the Spring About You. He garnered a modest fan following in the next couple of years, owing to the roles he played. Enactment of these roles defined him as a hard-working, and he kept working hard, proving himself again and again. He proved that when it comes to talent.